Hi Adam, my name is Christian Renna with RenGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We're a family-owned digital marketing company, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your site are exclusive to you, so you're not playing the game of whoever paid the most money to Zillow this month gets the best leads, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. They're your leads because it's your site. And so I have your Facebook page pulled up here. One thing I want to say positive here for sure is beautiful baby girl photo, and also the fact that you're letting people know you're a realtor. Okay, so hey, Adam Glenn Marshall, I'm a realtor in Mississippi Gulf. Okay, believe it or not, a lot of realtors that are trying to get online exposure don't put on there that they're a realtor on their Facebook page, which seems odd to me, but you do have that done, and you also have it down here, so I would like to congratulate you on that. Moving forward, I have your broker's real estate website here. So like I said, real estate websites can bring you leads in and of themselves. Now, I don't know if this is your site or if this is just your broker's site. Either way, this is it. And so, what I'd like to point out is three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. First is content. The real question is, yes, there's a website here. Yes, you use it. But how many people are finding you through this site? How many people are coming here on their own organically and then calling you up, Adam? How many leads are coming through this site? Only you know the answer to that question. And if it's less than you'd like, then there's some things you can do to change it. Now, I don't know what you can change on this site, but what I do know is that content is king. Google loves content. The more you have, the better. In fact, we like to see 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. Now, this is your main page here, and as you can see, I would say maybe less than 600 words total. We want to have 1,500 words. Also, content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, what's behind the photos, how the photos are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So especially in real estate with the IDX feed and all the listing photos, how you save your photos matters so very much. So keep in mind, search engines read how they're saved. So a lot of times when we upload photos to a computer, the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. Typically, it'll consist of random letters and numbers, or picture 1, pic 2, pic 3. That's no good. You're going to want to make sure all your photos are saved with good content. Do your homework and keep in mind that how they're saved actually matters. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your domain can be found. Actually, no. What a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number can be found in various directories. Backlink is anywhere your domain can be found. Citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number can be found in various directories, which would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Gulfport, Mississippi Realtors. We have Bush Realty Group, Coldwell Banker, Alfonso Realty, and Stars and Stripes Realty LLC. These are the top three, okay? I don't see Fortic Real Estate anywhere, and that's obviously where you want to be. Now, if you're not up there, you can rank down here organically, like, for example, Owen & Co., Bush Realty Gulf Coast. As you can see, these two sites are actually beating Remax.com. So that's an example of good search engine optimization strategies. That's an example of what your website can do if you build it properly. But going further into this Google My Business page, as you can see, whether you're a broker or an agent only, you can have a Google My Business page. For example, we have Jonathan Marshall, Realtor with Bush Realty Group. We have Jennifer Schmidt Dalgo, Realtor at Remax. We have Brecken Newman, D. Salvas. So I actually don't see Fortec Realtors anywhere in the first page, which, obviously that's, an indication that potentially you're not getting many leads from your broker. But either way, These are examples of individuals who have Google My Business pages. If you have one, I apologize, I couldn't find it, and I'm willing to bet you that if I don't find it, the customers, potential customers, aren't going to find it either, clients. Now, this is an example of what a Google My Business page looks like. Jonathan Marshall, Realty with Bush Realty Group, LLC. Now, a couple things I want to point out. We recommend minimum 25 reviews. So Jonathan has 16. Obviously, you want to beat his 16, but we recommend 25 reviews. And then again, you want to complete your profile. If having your address show, because like say you work out of your home, you can actually hide your address, but a lot of times your broker will, you just use your broker's address, and there could be multiple agents at the same address. So that's not a big deal either. Next is again photos, and how very important photos are. Now, you're going to want to have 10 minimum. We recommend 10 minimum photos. It looks like Jonathan has more than 10, but you're going to want to have 10. And then again, how they're saved is really what matters. Okay, so the actual photo isn't as important as how the photo is saved and what it is embedded as for search engines. So again, get yourself a Google My Business page, 10 photos, 25 reviews. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain can be found. So anywhere that fortite.re.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. And so as you can see, you guys have 44 backlinks from 6 referring domains. But as you notice, your domain rating is a 0.5. That's a 0.5 out of 100. So very low. You're going to want to keep in mind this. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want backlinks, but you want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant to the trade and not spammy. So one benefit to only having 44 backlinks is that you don't have thousands to go through to remove a bunch of spammy backlinks. You just have 44 of, potentially not the best quality. So do your homework and get yourself some backlinks that are going to bring you the most value. Other than that, Adam, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your life, to bring you some more leads and in turn freedom and money. And so if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Other than that, I thank you for watching.